You want this? No. Who's that? Why are you people like this? Good afternoon, sir. People have come out in mass to ensure they exercise their universal suffrage, and everything appears very peaceful and orderly. We thank God for that.
Are you confident of winning this election?
By the grace of God, the election has just started. One would not say, but certainly this is my home base, and almost everybody is for me. I don't know the other side, but I know that I have campaigned very well, and I have spoken and I have done well as a governor. So I'm very hopeful that by the grace of God, they will vote me for the second time.
Of this election, whichever way it goes.
Definitely, whichever way it goes. I'm a Democrat, and as a Muslim, I believe that it is God that gives power, and He takes power and gives to anybody that He wishes. So I'm ready to take the outcome of whatever comes out of this election.
Excellency, there is peace in Bauchi. Are you assuring the people of the continuous peace even after the declaration of the results?
Yes, we are doing our best. We have sensitized our people to be peaceful. It is not a do or die affair.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.